Osborne Soundbook Zoo Sound. It's a warm summer day at the zoo. Can you hear the elephants trumpeting? After snooze in the sun, a lion stretches and yawns with a sleepy roar. The hungry monkeys squeak as they nibble on tasty fruits and nuts. And they jabber and howl as they swing through the trees. When one bird chirps in the hot and humid tropical house, another bird chirps and twitters to answer it. It's feeding time for the seals, and they fill the air with excited barking. Seagulls swoop down to steal the fish, and the hungry penguins squawk at them. If you listen carefully, you'll hear lots of tree frogs peacefully croaking. All of a sudden, an alligator slides into the water with a great big splash.